Namaste everyone. Fusis means a nature. We believe that anything which surrounds us our family. Hello friends, myself Ayushman Dubey from Fusis Junior Wing class 10th. I am here to present a speech of a small awareness and informative speech about Jallianwala Bagh under our program Chalo Vishwa Ko Jaane. Friends, Jallianwala Bagh massacre is the cardinal incident in the history of Punjab. It is occurred on 13th April 1990 AD on the day of Baisakh festival. It is such unforgettable tragedy which would be remembered forever in Punjab. This incident created a feeling of hot rage against the British government among Indians. It was much because of this tragedy that Gandhiji initiated a non-corporation movement to extract British from the country. Thus, this match has also importance in the Indian country. Causes leading to the circumstances of Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Michael Lord Dyer, the Lieutenant Governor of Punjab, was very cruel. He used to be committed many atrocities on people. He had no faith in political reforms and consequently no sympathy with the political agitators. The day was fair. Large number of people gathered in Jallianwala Bagh at the day of Baisakh on 13 April 1919 AD. All peoples were unarmed when 10,000 of people gathered to take part in the meeting. It was wall surrounded sides, although there were other doors of the garden, but all were locked. The only one door was opened. Meeting continued up to evening. Suddenly, General Dyer approached near Jallianwala Bagh with 100 Indian soldiers and 50 British soldiers and many of machine gunners. Meeting was taking place peacefully. People were having their leaders' views. Dr. Kuchli and Satyapal presented a resolution to release Gandhiji from the jail. Moreover, Rowlatt Act was also opened in the meeting. General Dyer ordered his soldiers to fire on gathering. He didn't even want them to disperse. Soldiers kept on firing unless the whole ammunition was finished. People started running to and fro. The whole of Jallianwala Bagh was filled with dead bodies after a short while. After 1650 bullets were fired from machine guns. According to government report, about 379 people were killed and 1200 wounded. But according to Congress report, 1000 people were martyred and 3000 wounded. In this way, government report was very much less than as the actual report. Do you ever think that why he did so and what sacrifice he given for our freedom? General Dyer said that he had ordered his troops to fire to teach the Indians a lesson, to show Indians their position, to create a terror and fear in the minds of us. Today we can do only one thing, just memories. All of them take a oath that we never let our country down. Jai Hind. Thank you everyone for listening me on this occasion. I wish you a very warm and good day. Bye.